Hello everybody. This time in our book, Handbook of Habitats, we're going to be focusing on the portion about the Serengeti Plains in Tanzania. Doesn't that sound like such an amazing place? If you take a look at the map here, you can see Africa down here, and you can see the spot on the map they're trying to show us. I can see Europe up above. I can see Italy. I can see Sicily. I always recognize Italy easily because of the boot. We'll take a look at some of the other photos before we read. Good readers, read the title. Good readers, take a look at the pictures. Good readers, look for other clues. What could the other clues be? Maybe the subheadings, maybe the bolded print, maybe the photos and the captions that go with them. They're all telling us more about what we're going to be reading about. When I look at this picture here, it reminds me of the Lion King. What do you think? Let's go ahead and read. The Serengeti Plains are a large grassland area in Africa. The Serengeti Plains have a dry season and a wet season. During the dry season, it is sunny every day. During the wet season, it rains every day. Grasses cover the ground in the plains habitat. There are only a few small trees. Serengeti Plains plants. Most of the plants growing in the Serengeti are grasses and small bushes. African Bermudas. African Bermudas is a short grass that forms a thick mass of roots. The plants spread out along the ground and are very tough. A plant can grow back even after all its leaves are eaten. African Bermuda seeds are small and light. Why do you think the seeds might be light? How might that help them get planted somewhere else? Narrow-leafed clover plants. Wow, isn't that pretty? Narrow-leafed clover is a short plant with thin leaves. It grows bunches of small pink flowers and small seeds with sharp points. As you hear more about the seeds of all these plants, keep thinking about how its characteristics might help it survive. And by survive, I don't necessarily mean how long the seed will stay alive, but survival for the plant itself. How will it grow another plant? How does being light help this seed? How does having a sharp point help this seed? Can you imagine if you brushed past this plant? Maybe those sharp points could catch on your clothes, or if you were a lion out there, maybe it would catch on your fur as you walk around, and as you kept walking or running, it would fall off. Keep these things in mind when you read about the characteristics of all these seeds. Acacia tree. The most famous tree of the Serengeti Plains is the acacia tree. Its seeds grow inside pods that are eaten by many animals, including ostriches and giraffes. Oh, look at that guy right there. Puncture vines. The puncture vine is a plant that grows flat on the ground. It has small fuzzy leaves and yellow flowers that attract bees. Its seeds have hard shells with sharp points. Ooh, look at those. Ouch. Sausage trees. Never seen this one before, have you? Sausage trees are fruit trees with large dark green leaves. Their flowers are red and attract bats and bees. The fruit of the sausage tree is long and filled with flesh and seeds. The fruit is eaten by many animals, including giraffes and hippos. Serengeti Plains animals. There are many plant-eating animals in the Serengeti habitat. Before we read, take a look at some of the pictures. Oh, I just love hippos. Wildebeest. Wildebeest are famous grass-eating animals of the Serengeti. They are large and related to cows. They travel the plains in large groups. Giraffes. Giraffes are tall animals with very long necks. They eat lots of plants, about 34 kilograms a day. They use their long necks to reach leaves, flowers, and fruits from the treetops. Sometimes they eat small plants on the ground. Hippos. Hippos are huge. A hippo can weigh as much as a car. Hippos live in shallow water, so they are only found in certain parts of the Serengeti. Hippos get out of the water mainly to find grasses to eat. They also eat fruits. Lions. Lions are the biggest hunters in the Serengeti. Lions usually hunt at night and spend most of their days resting. They eat many different animals, including wildebeest and zebras. Ostriches. Ostriches are large birds that do not fly. They are awake during the daytime and can run very fast. Ostriches eat different plant parts, including leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Think back about something that you learned today about the Serengeti. I had never seen these sausage trees before. And we keep learning about all these different kinds of seeds and paying attention to how they might travel. Thanks for listening.